G'day guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to take out the drive shaft out of a Vector SR80 Pro to re-grease. All you will need is some marine grease and two 10mm spanners. You can either use tissues or paper towel for this process. Right, as you can see here, we have a couple here holding the drive shaft on. All you need to do is use your two 10mm spanners and loosen it off. Once you've got it fairly loose, just loosen it a bit more with your fingers and off comes the drive shaft. Once you have loosened that, now you can pull out the flexible drive shaft here, and all you want to do is just grab a cloth or some paper towel or a tissue and just wipe off all that old grease. Now, as you can see, the drive shaft is all nice and clean. Now you can use your fingers and get the grease, or you can just use a tissue like I have here so my hands don't get dirty. And you just want to get heaps of grease just on the drive shaft. Now that you have done that, you can reinsert your drive shaft into the back. And whatever excess grease there is, just wipe it off. Now once you have done that, make sure you leave a 2 to 3mm gap down here where the prop is. Now from there, you just need to get your spanners and just tighten it back up. Not too tight, but tight enough where it won't come out the next time you use it. Now that that is all done, you have successfully re-greased your drivetrain. I'll catch you all in the next one.